how to remove Windows 11 login password and lock screen. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. If you want to completely remove the login password and lock screen on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, here's how you can do it. First, open the start menu, search for settings and open it. From the left hand side, go to accounts, then click on sign in, options. Under additional settings, find the option that says, if you have been away, when such windows require you to sign in again, set this drop down to never. You might need to enter your password to confirm. Next, go back to the start menu, search for command prompt, CMD, and right click on it. Select run as administrator and the command prompt. Type the following command. I will put the command in the description. Press enter and you should see a message. The operation completed successfully. Finally, open the run dialog by pressing Windows plus R. Type netpoise and press enter. In the window that opens, uncheck the box that says users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Click apply. You will be prompted to enter your current password. Do so and click OK. Now restart your computer and will boot straight to the desktop without requiring a password or showing the lock screen. And here we go. That's how you remove the login password and lock screen on Windows 11. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.